broken phone can bring you a lot of trouble these days. You can't work, you can't socialize, you can't entertain. You think the only solution is to buy a new phone, but you can't afford it. Well, there is another, more cheaper way out. You can take it to a professional phone repair shop and have it repaired. Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Izabela, and on this channel we explore the tech news, tech reviews and repair processes. Today I'm going to show you how our technician Adrian repairs smashed iPhone 12 front and back glass. As you can see, the phone looks bad and it's almost impossible to use it. During the fall, the back camera stabilizer sensor has been damaged, so this also needs replacing. So let's start. For this repair we will use a heat gun, an opener tool, set of screwdrivers, microscope, elastic glue, craft plates. At first we need to remove the front screen, and from inside of the phone we remove motherboard and back camera together with flash. The heat gun's temperature is 400 degrees and not doing it could damage the motherboard. We use the heat gun, slowly heating up the back glass and removing it with a blade. It's a wearisome process, but we need to be careful as it's easy to damage wireless charging coil. After the back glass is removed, we use the microscope in search for any remaining dirt. After we make sure everything is clean, we put back the motherboard and new back camera. Then we replace the broken LCD by removing the Face ID sensor and transferring to the new screen. When everything is ready to go, we put the new LCD onto the phone. Having done that, we take the new back glass, remove the stickers and put some elastic glue to the surface of the phone. It is now ready to stick together. Carefully fit the back glass to the phone and secure with clips. It will take over an hour for glue to get hardened and the phone will be ready to use. Thank you guys! If you like this video, hit subscribe button. You can view some more videos from us by clicking the links in the descriptions.